as always, every time you stop at CVS, even if you're not planning on shopping, come in and enter your phone number or scan your card to get your coupons. Okay everybody, here we are at CVS. I went ahead and braved it out through the rain so I could show you guys some of these amazing deals they got going on right now. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some soft soap body wash. It is 75% off right now, ringing up $1.24. And I also have a $1 off body wash CRT, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that. Now I do have a $2 off 6 any body wash that if I can find enough of them I may get it, but it doesn't look like there's gonna be enough, so I may have to save that one for another day. Okay, so I'm not gonna be making any money on this deal, but I do have a bunch of extra care bucks that I need to spend, and one of my friends was recommending this Almay foundation to me. Since Almay is buy one get one 50% off this week, and we do have the $3 off Almay face coupons, as well as $2 off Almay eye product coupons, I am going to get some of this foundation and concealer. So what she recommended was this set of Almay products, Smart Shade. So it comes out white and you mix it with your hands, and then when you apply it, it automatically matches to your skin tone, which I think is absolutely amazing. So I am going to be getting one tube of the Almay foundation, the Smart Shade, and that is $14.99. And then I'm also going to go ahead and grab one of the concealers for $9.79, but this one is going to be 50% off. Okay, so with the Almay products, I do have these two coupons that I'm going to be using, but I do also have a $5 off Almay CRT on this account. So I believe my total before coupons is going to be $19.88 with the buy one get one 50% off, with my $5 CRT and the two $3 off coupons from the February 9th Retail Me Not. My total is only going to be a little over $8, which is a pretty good deal for those. Okay, so currently Maybelline products are on sale. Buy any two, get $5 back in extra care bucks. And this is a really good deal because we had some great coupons to go with this. Also, I have a $4 off 12 Maybelline cosmetic coupon that I'm going to be using as well. And we also have the $2 off one Maybelline New York mascara, as well as the $3 off one Maybelline New York foundation or like face product. Okay, so like I said at the beginning of the video, I have like 80 something dollars in extra care bucks that I need to burn through that are going to be expiring soon. So the deal I'm going to do is I'm going to get one of the Maybelline BB cream for $9.79. I'm going to use this $3 off coupon on that as well. And this coupon was from the January 26th Retail Me Not. I'm also going to be getting one of the Great Lash mascaras. Now at a lot of stores these are only $6.99, but this store's out in the middle of nowhere, so they're a little bit more expensive. They're $7.59 here. I am going to be using one of the $2 off coupons from the January 26th Retail Me Not as well. So with my paper coupons for the Maybelline and my $4 off 12, my total is going to be a little over $8, but I'm going to get $4 or $5, I'm sorry. I will get $5 back in extra care bucks. So I'll be paying a little over $3 for both of these, and that is a really good deal. Now, I was planning on doing the Nivea deal as well, but this store does not carry the 8.4 ounce lotion. I haven't been able to find it anywhere. So that was a really good deal on Nivea lotion. After the coupons, you would pay $5.98 out of pocket, and you would get back a $5 extra care buck, but since my store doesn't have that, I won't be doing that deal. Okay, so the next deal I'm gonna do on this account is the Gillette razors. So when you buy 2, you get $8 back in extra care box. I'm gonna be getting one of the men's Gillette 3 razor for $9.29. And I'm gonna be using the $4 off coupon from the February Procter & Gamble. Now, since I only had one Gillette coupon left and the rest of my coupons are for the Venus, I'm gonna have to go ahead and buy the Venus razor for $10.49. And I am gonna use the $4 off one from the February Procter & Gamble. So before my coupons, my total is about $19. After the $8 comes off, you're going to pay about $10, but then you're also going to get back $8 in extra care bucks, so you're going to pay less than $2 for both of these razors, and that's a really good deal. And I need to trigger some shaving CRT, so we're going to do that as well. Okay, so I think that's all I'm gonna do on this account. I also have a hair care CRT that is expiring tomorrow, but haven't figured out how I'm gonna use that yet. Alright. So this soft soap after my coupon is only gonna be 24 cents, so that's a really good deal. So here's everything that I'm getting with the coupons.
What you got?
I got all this. I paid $1.28 out of pocket before tax, and got back 13 extra care bucks. Not the best deal in the world, but I really wanted to get these 2 items of makeup for myself. And as you can see, I had a whole lot of extra care bucks to use. From the one that says CVS $8 down, that is all extra care bucks. So I only paid $1.28 out of pocket, and I still made money on this deal.